clean, fuel-efficient 20 mpg highway 15 mpg city. Heated leather seats, satellite radio, premium sound system, onboard communication system, multi-CD changer, flex fuel, alloy wheels, tow hitch, overhead airbag, running boards. Click me. Key features include heated leather seats, four-wheel drive, running boards, flex fuel, premium sound system, satellite radio, multi-CD changer, onboard communication system, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, dual-zone AC MP3 player, rear seat audio controls, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls. LTZ with dark blue metallic exterior and ebony interior features a 8-cylinder engine with 310 HP at 5,200 RPM. Fully inspected and serviced, we've washed, waxed and detailed this one for you. Experts are saying,